You look terrible.
Thank you.
I mean, are you okay?
I am fine.
You do not look fine.
I did not sleep well.
Why not?
I could not stop thinking.
About what?
Everything.
Like what?
Work. Tomorrow. The week.
It is Sunday night.
I know.
You do this every Sunday.
I know.
What time did you sleep?
Maybe 2.
2 in the morning.
Yes.
That is too late.
I know.
How do you feel now?
Like I need 10 coffees.
A
It is not funny.
little funny.
Not funny.
Okay. Not funny.
What time is your first meeting?
9.
9 o'clock?
Yes,
That is in 2 hours.
I know.
Can you cancel it?
I cannot cancel it.
Who is it with?
My boss.
Oh,
Yes,
okay. Drink your coffee.
I am drinking it.
Eat something.
I am not hungry.
You need to eat.
Fine. Toast
With butter?
and jam, please.
Coming right up.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
How was your night?
Good, actually.
Did you sleep well?
Very well.
That is annoying.
Ha ha ha.
I slept at 10.
10 o'clock?
Yes,
How?
I just closed my eyes.
That is it.
That is it.
I cannot just close my eyes.
Why not?
My brain does not stop.
Tell your brain to stop.
It does not listen.
Ha ha ha!
You think it is funny?
A little.
One day you will not sleep,
And then,
and then I will laugh.
fair enough.
Tonight? Sleep at 10.
I will try.
Not try. Sleep at 10.
Fine. I will sleep at 10.
Good.
Thank you for the toast.
You are welcome.
And the coffee.
Of course.
I feel a little better.
Good.
Still tired,
I know.
but better.
That is enough for now.
Yes, that is enough for now. Put it back.
But I want it.
We did not come here for chips.
We came here for food.
Chips are food.
Real food.
This is real food.
It has no vitamins.
It has salt.
That is not a vitamin.
Put it back.
Can I get the small one?
No,
Why not?
because last time you said small.
And
You finished the big one in one day.
that was different.
How was it different?
I was hungry.
You are always hungry.
I am not always hungry.
When were you last not hungry? Exactly.
That is not fair.
Put the chips back.
Fine.
Thank you.
Can I get chocolate?
No,
One small chocolate?
no,
Why not?
we are here for vegetables.
I do not like vegetables.
You like carrots.
Carrots are okay.
Just okay.
Yes.
Not good.
Not bad either.
Let us get carrots.
Fine.
And chocolate.
No chocolate?
One small one.
No.
You are very strict today.
I have a list.
Lists are strict.
Lists are necessary.
Because of me.
Because of last time.
What happened last time?
You came home with chips, chocolate, ice cream, and no vegetables.
I got distracted.
By the snack aisle.
It is a very good snack aisle.
We need real food.
I know.
So, carrots,
And what else?
tomatoes, onions, bread, eggs,
That is a lot of healthy food.
Yes?
Can I at least choose the bread?
Fine.
The nice soft one.
Okay.
With seeds.
No seeds.
Why no seeds?
I do not like seeds.
Fine. No seeds?
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I still want chips.
I know.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Promise?
I promise nothing.
Ha ha ha.
You have been on your phone for 10 minutes.
I am reading something.
What are we doing in the park then?
I needed air.
And your phone?
I needed to get out of the house.
What is wrong?
Nothing.
Something is wrong.
I am fine.
You are not fine.
I said I am fine.
Okay.
I did not get the job.
Oh,
They sent an email this morning.
I am sorry.
It is okay.
It is not okay.
I will find another one.
I know you will.
I really wanted that one.
I know.
I prepared so much.
You did.
2 interviews
Yes.
and a writing test.
Yes.
And they said no.
I am really sorry.
It is just disappointing.
Of course it is.
I feel stupid.
You are not stupid.
I prepared and I still failed.
You did not fail.
I did not get the job.
That is not the same as failing.
It feels the same.
I know it does.
What do I do now?
You rest today.
And tomorrow?
Tomorrow you start looking again.
So fast.
The right job is out there.
Maybe.
Definitely.
You do not know that.
I know you.
What does that mean?
It means you do not give up.
I feel like giving up today.
Today is okay.
Today you sit in the park.
And feel bad.
Yes, feel bad today.
And tomorrow.
Tomorrow you start again.
That sounds exhausting.
I know,
Will you help me?
of course.
Thank you.
Always.
It is nice here.
Very nice.
The trees are green.
Very green.
Thank you for coming with me.
Of course.
We are late.
We are not late.
We are 10 minutes late.
5 minutes.
The invitation said 7.
It said around 7.
Around 7 means 7.
Around 7 means around 7.
We are late.
We will be there by 7:10.
That is late.
That is 5 minutes late.
10 minutes.
5.
Fine. 7 minutes.
Ha 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 ha.
It is not funny.
A little funny.
We should have left earlier.
We left on time.
We left at 6:50.
Yes.
It takes 20 minutes to get there.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. We are a little late.
A little.
Your boss will notice.
He will not notice.
He notices everything.
He is relaxed about time.
He is not relaxed about time.
He is very relaxed.
He sent you a message last week about being 2 minutes late.
That was different.
How?
It was a very important meeting.
Every meeting is important.
Not every meeting.
Okay. Most meetings?
All meetings to him.
Fine. All meetings.
What do I say if he asks?
Tell him traffic.
There was no traffic.
There was a little traffic.
On our street.
That counts?
That does not count.
It is still traffic.
Ha 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 ha.
You are funny when you are stressed.
I am not funny.
You are.
I am stressed.
I know, but also funny.
Is that a good thing?
Yes. I like it.
Thank you. I think.
We are here.
Already.
7 minutes late.
Fine. 7.
Not 10.
Not 10.
You look nice, by the way.
Thank you.
Really nice. And
Thank you. You too.
ready.
Not really.
Ready?
Fine. Ready.
Let us go.
Let us go. You are still awake.
I could not sleep.
Come in.
I did not want to wake you.
I was reading
What are you reading?
a book about a woman who cannot sleep.
That is funny.
Why?
Because I cannot sleep.
Oh. Yes. That is funny.
Sit down.
Okay.
What is wrong?
I have too many thoughts.
About what?
Everything.
Like what?
Work. Tomorrow. The week.
The whole week.
Yes,
It is Sunday night.
I know.
You do this every Sunday.
Do I?
Every Sunday.
I did not know that.
Now you know.
How do you stop the thoughts?
You cannot stop them.
Then what?
You let them come.
And then
They go by themselves.
they do not go.
They do if you do not fight them.
I always fight them.
Stop fighting.
How?
Just lie down.
That is it.
That is it.
That is too simple.
Simple things work.
Okay. I will try.
Not try. Do.
Fine. I will do it.
Lie down.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
They are closed.
Now the thoughts come.
They are coming.
Let them come.
Okay. They are still here.
I know. It is getting quieter.
Good.
A little quieter?
Good.
I have one more thought.
What?
Tomorrow is Monday.
Yes.
I do not like Mondays.
Nobody likes Mondays,
Why do we have Mondays?
so we can love Fridays.
That is the smartest thing I have ever heard.
I know.
I am sleepy now.
Good.
Thank you
For what?
for sitting with me.
I did not sit. I lay down.
Ha ha ha. For lying down with me then.
Of course.
Good night.
Good night.
Hey everyone watching.
Do you have trouble sleeping on Sunday nights?
Write in the comments in English.
Any answer is perfect.
If you liked this video, please like it.
Subscribe to Easy English Studio for new videos every week.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.